Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to take the 42-inch mower deck off a John Deere lawnmower. This is the L118 model. There's several models that should be basically the same though. First thing you're going to want to do is lower the deck down. Then after that, you're going to need a screwdriver. It's got a few of these pins to take out. There's one here, this one right here. You should be able to remove those. Remove the cable. There's a pin holding this cable on, and a spring back there. After you remove that and the pins on the other side, you'll be able to get the belt off, and it should just drag right out. I'll show you when the pins are out. Hey guys, so I got these 4 pins out. I forgot to mention there's a pin here too. Pull that out. There's a washer on there. All right, now we can roll the deck forward. Take the belt off. And you should be able to just slide the deck out. That's it pretty much. Just do everything in reverse to put it back. All right, thanks for watching.